You guys, I really did try, but I could not resist. I went to get my tattoos done a few days ago, and check it out. Was it yesterday? God, I feel like the days are blending into one another. Yes, it was yesterday. It was yesterday, the 25th. So, and it's around 28th, I think, and 5th, I think it was, past Broadway. I think it was around 5th. So anyways, there's a lot of like plant shops around there, and I cannot help myself. I passed by and one shop had all of the trees and all the big plants outside, and then on one side it had like the smaller succulents and smaller plants. So by the time I got out of my getting my tattoos done, I passed by again and I just had to go inside. Well, I took some from the outside. So I took these from the outside, and then I also went inside, and while I was painting, look at this huge air plant. Mind you, I still have my other 3 air plants that I have left over from all the ones that I purchased before, and they have, I think, all 3 of them, yeah, all 3 of them have pups. So this one is a the air plant. So we have the air plant, and then we have this one, which is aloe lace, and then this succulent. Ooh, okay, this succulent. Okay, you guys, you can see my dog in the background. So this succulent right here, I had to go get the paper because I did search it up, just so that I could get the correct name. So this succulent is actually called a Tango Gorge sedum, and it's a species of stone crops, and the botanical name is Sedum clavatum. I know I completely like butchered the name, but so yeah, isn't it beautiful? I've always wanted to get one of these, but every time I go to my plant guy, he doesn't really have a lot of succulent varieties. Or Home Depot. Every time, wait, have I seen these? No, I think the few times I've gone to Home Depot for plants, I haven't seen these types. But yeah, so I finally found this one. So this, I guess, is my October plant haul. I said I wouldn't buy any more plants, but I could not help myself. I need more willpower. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I have been uploading some shorts, so check those out. And I will be uploading some more videos soon. I will talk to you guys in the next video. And yeah, just make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.